Tignan yung maningin tong Amerikanong ito mga kaibigan. Nang lilisik ang kalisik-lisikan ng mga mata Aba, teka, parang talapyang nasa aquarium pala ang hulma ng bola ng mga mata ng Amerikanong ito mga kaibigan. Wala man lang kakurap-kurap Mahiya mo mga ngain ng mga kinilaw na bulating dialysis patient at ulipihang may pulmonya at keto At talaga namang ipinagdala pa ng punda at custom made na unan sa weigh-in na may nakaborda pang night-night sa tela ang Pinoy. At talaga namang ibinabalandra pang maigi ang unan sa pagmumukha ng ating bidang kababayan na tila ipinapahiwatig na ito daw ang magiging higaan ng Pinoy pagkatapos ng pakulatahin ito sa mismong gabi ng kanilang magiging laban. Dahil di umano ay patutulugin daw niya ng mahimbing ang ating bidang kababayan nang walang kalabis-labis, kulang-kulang mga kaibigan. Napakayabang, tinamaan ka na magaling. At talaga namang napaka-plastic pa ng mukha kong umentrada sa laban mga kaibigan. Mahiya mo malungkot na masiyahin lang ang datingan Yung kalahating pisnging kumanto ang tangos na kabusangot. Yung kalahating cheekbone naman bahagyang nakangisi. Kaya naman na yan. At sumasayaw-sayaw pa ng inam na inam sa kanyang entrada mga kaibigan. Mahiya mo rabbit na inasinan at nilagyan ng binilender na pamintat siling dabuyo sa puwete Tapos nagpapakita at nagpapapogi pa ng inam na inam sa camera at mga ringer at chicks na mga audience sa laban. Akala mo naman talaga kandidatong contestant ng salakan at lakambining rarampas sa rampahan ng entablado ng Amerika Kumakagat-kagat labi pa Ang sarap hambalusin at hilamusan ng pisan pampa at polbohan ng yad-yad na uling sa mukha Kaya naman na yan. Lakas loob pang sinabi nito sa kanyang interview sa media at harapan ng mga napakaraming manonood na hindi naman daw kilala ang Pinoy at wala daw katunog-tunog ang pangalan nito sa Amerika mga kaibigan. Nagtataka pa nga daw po ito at napatanong kay Boss Bob Arong mapagmahal lang sa kalam na kung seryoso ba talaga itong tunay na itatapat sa kanya ang di kilalang Pinoy na ito dahil nakakaawa lang daw ang sasapitin ng pagmumukha nito sa kanyang mga kamay pang nagkataon mga kaibigan. Pero kung sa bagay, tune up fight lang naman daw kuno para sa kanya ang laban niya sa ating bidang Pinoy at gagawin pampatabang bulating na nalaman daw niya ito sa kanyang umaalingaw na kartada. Yung tipong pangtanggal kalawang lang daw ba sa ibabaw ng lona. Gagamitin na lang daw niya ang Pinoy para magpakondisyon at magpakitang gila sa telebisyon na kumbaga sa gym magsisilbing workout o isang uri lamang ng ehersisyo ang gagawin niyang laban sa Pinoy habang naghihintay pa daw siya ng isang matinding world title shot mga kaibigan na sa madaling pagdilinaw ay binabastos, minamahina at winawalang kakwenta-kwenta lamang ang pagtingin nito sa ating bidang maharlikang mandirigmang Pilipino mga kaibigan. Iniulat pa nga po mismo ng mga boxing insider sa US na personal na pinili daw pala di umano ng kampo ng Amerikano ang Pinoy mula sa kanilang mga listahan ng mga pwedeng makalaban mga kaibigan dahil tingin nila ay ang Pinoy ang pinakamadaling lapain sa kanilang mga pagpipiliang kalaban na magbibigay pa rin naman daw sa kanya ng bahagyang exposure kahit papaano sa media at telebisyon mga kaibigan. Ngunit sa mismong gabi naman niya po ng naging laban ay ang lahat niya po ng kaya bang yabangan at kahambog-hambugan ng mayabang na Amerikanong ito. 10 ng kanyang mga kampo ay kanilang nilamon ng bunggo kasama burnek. Bugbog sarado ang damukos. Aray niya! Baka!
There's a time and a place to get your work on. Working. When he went down to the money, he just whips it in there. He doesn't throw it clean.
It is. They're now circling. What took it get from when if he has with this advantage.
You gotta compartmentalize your coach. 2 out of 3.
Would be in control of things having scored a knockout in round 1. Coming out fine here, long range, throwing over 66 punches per round.
Coming in doing what he's been doing, just moving slightly, but then that left hook has a mind of its own. He didn't whip it. He just ran hook. Right there, short shot. Landed right on the chin, rear. And then the left rear. Betrayed him, and now he went again. That left hook was... He fell asleep at the wheel. What does he do? Greer was looking for a jab to come. No, he won't play him. Sit down, take off one. Set him down. You know what? Left hook, clean it right there. Joshua Greer kind of dropped his right hand and played it.
Sa bidyong ito mga kaibigan ay ating pagninilay-nilayin kung papaanong tinuruan ng leksyon the square root of X over karma di nguyang-nguyaan ang mayabang at hambog na Amerikanong ito mga kaibigan. Yaman din lamang na libre naman talagang magyabang ng walang habas. Ngunit sisiguraduhin mo lamang sa iyong sarili na madadala mo hanggang sa ikabuturan ng ibabaw ng lona ang angas mo pagdating sa laban, mga kaibigan. Dahil talaga namang kahiyahiya pa sa kahiyahiya at talaga namang tatatak ng inam na inam sa mga kukote ng sanlibutan ang iyong matinding pagkatalo, lulan ng iyong kayabangan, mga kaibigan. Kagaya na lamang nitong tiniguri ang danoblik ng mga Amerikano, mga kaibigan. Dahil di umano ay kapag nagkamali ka't kumurap ka daw pala ng harap-harapan sa harapan ng mga kamao nitong mas mabilis pa daw di umano sa pagkurap ng mata, ay siguradong tulog malala at handusay di alampuangatan daw pala ang iyong sasapitin sa ibabaw ng lona, mga kaibigan. Hindi naging maganda ang pakikipagkapwa-tao nito sa ating bidang kababayan, mga kaibigan. Porkit dayo at hindi pa masyadong kilala ang ating kababayan, hindi na nito iginagalang ang makakalabang Pinoy dahil talaga namang napakabastos at walang kamodo-modo lang naman itong kinutya ang ating dumayong Pinoy sa kanilang teritoryo, mga kaibigan. Na kesyo wala naman daw kabitaw-bitaw, walang kapangapangalan at wala daw talaga siyang mapapala sa laban niyang ito kontra sa ating bidang kababayan na ito, mga kaibigan. Napilitan at kumbaga sa pagkain isang uri ng walang sustansyang ulam lamang daw ang Pinoy na nakahain sa kanyang hapagkainan. Kaya wala daw siyang choice kundi kainin na lamang daw ito, labag man daw ito sa kanyang kalooban, mga kaibigan. Gagawin na lamang daw niyang isang uri ng warm-up o exercise ang Pinoy sa kanilang magiging laban. Nang sa gayon magkaroon naman daw ito ng silbi sa kanyang karera, mga kaibigan. Tatapusin na lang din daw niya ng mabilis ang laban. Nang sa gayon makapag-focus na siya sa next world title shot niyang laban, partikular na sa pinakagusto niyang makasagupang kampyong halimaw nung mga panahong ito na walang iba kundi ang pinakamaangas na boksingero ng Pilipinas, Janriel Cuadro Alas Casimero. Subalit hindi rin naman talaga natin masisisi kung bakit sumobra pa sa sobra ang self-confidence ito sa kanyang sarili, mga kaibigan. Dahil tunay nga namang may bitaw at nakakapagpakumatos din naman talagang tunay ang mga kamao nito sa ibabaw ng lona, mga kaibigan. At sa katunayan niya po niyan sa unang naging 12 laban niya lamang po nito sa kanyang professional boxing career ay wala nga po ni isa ang nakaligtas at nakatawid hanggang round 12. Wala namang naging reaksyon si Kabayan sa mga kahambugang ipinamalas ng hambog na si Danoblink, mga kaibigan. Bagkus focus na focus lang ito sa pagtitraining at sinabing, "Let my fish do the statement in the ring." Wow, English tinamaan ka na magaling. Kasabay ng pagnenebulizer ng mga may corned beef 19 patient na mga mangkukulam at mambabarang dahil kasagsagan ng coronavirus at mga alert level CN, ika-20 ng Hunyo taong 2020 ay tuluyan ng naikasa ang laban ng The Magic Wings ng Pilipinas kontra sa Danoblink ng mga Amerikano, mga kaibigan. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa MGM Grand Conference Center, Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. May katakot-takot na 22 panalo. 21 ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng walang awang knockout at walang bahid ng anumang klase ng pagkatalo. Ang tinuguri ang Danoblink ng mga Amerikano, mga kaibigan. Samantalang si The Magic Wings naman ay may 23 panalo. 17 ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng impresibong knockout at isang bahid ng pagkatalo lamang, mga kaibigan. Sa mismong laban, walang yamo pasok ni Danoblink, mga kaibigan. Sinanitize at binomba pa ng bahay ko ng buong pagkatao Kung sa bagay, mahirap na nga naman, baka mamaya may asymptomatic corned beef 19 symptoms yan. Makahawa pa nga yan. Di katakot-takot pa na pag-atrace ang gagawin ng mga barangay tanod sa US dyan, sa mga nakasalamuhan yan. At mga magsisipag-quarantine pa ng wala sa oras yung mga yan. Abay, gastos yan. Mahirap na. Kainaman na yan. Kawos, Kabayan naman parang napadaang tambay lang Mahiya mo bibili lang sa kanto ng kalahating kahan ng Camel at 4 kanto sa'yo. Tinamaan ka na magaling. Unang round, parehas bato-boto ang dalawang boksidor, mga kaibigan. Ngunit mahalatang mukhang may kalyo ang buong mukha at katawang lupa ng Amerikano. Parang hindi papahuli ng buhay Samantala, dito na agad gigimbali ni Kabayan ng buong stadium at bubuwi na manuhan ng kulata di alimpungatan ang hambog at mayabang na Amerikano, mga kaibigan. Tignan nyo maigi. Napakatindi ng gagawin ni Kabayan dyan. Walang kukurapa, walang hihinga 24 oras.
45. So something we will monitor, see how much he gets to work, how busy he is. Utilizing the jab early on here to get things started.
I'd like to see Josh Greer tonight do exactly what he's doing. Take his time, put the pillow away from jab going and get a good rhythm. And then if the shot opens up, it'll on a curve night. That's what's kind of set him back the last couple of fights. He's trying too hard. He needs to let the fight come to him like he's doing. Plania told us that's not really his style either. Sure, I'm seeing patience, see how this newfound, mindset from Plania.
He puts Greer down.
3,
A left hand floors
5,
Greer.
6, 7, 8.
Well, what do we have here? Halfway through round one, and Plania has scored. And now how
Said
will
Plania
Josh
had
Greer
explosive
react?
punching power. Tess, I said that he has explosive punching power. Out of nowhere, that was a lead left from Plania.
And now he steps to don't want to rush things, but look at this Sergi Henia to start off his night. A left hook score in the middle of this first round. And now a right-hander.
Very explosive and unpredictable. Plania.
Trying to settle back in, and he does.
Just looks so much bigger, upper body and his legs, than tonight.
He's got two. Greer checked in at 5'4", 120 on the scale. Clean half. Rehydrate. Big way to start the evening for the upset-seeking.
Greer got caught asleep at the wheel. What does he do? Greer was looking for a jab to come. No, it was a lead left hook coming from Plania. Set him down. You know what? Greer was actually shooting a
Plania
jab.
slightly
Dropped his right hand in the
Greer out of
process.
position
Just relax.
and landed the big left hook. He feinted right there. Joshua Greer kind of dropped his right hand and Plania.
Round 2. Ay parang may naaalala kong chichirya sa buhok ng Amerikanong ito, mga kaibigan. Hindi ko matandaan eh. Basta yung balat nun may pula-pula tapos puti. Comment nyo nga kung alam niyo yung sinasabi ko. Makalam tuloy sigura ako eh. Kaya naman yan. Samantala, nag-iingat ng Amerikano sa laban, mga kaibigan. Ayaw nang maulit ang pagkakakulatan niya kay kabayan eh. Kowo, ang Pinoy naman napakadisiplinado din naman eh. Walang kamada-madali sa pangangatawan eh. Mahiya mo e-bike na nasa fast lane. Tapos busina na ng busina ang ambulansyang nasa likuran ni parang bingi pa. Walang kapaki-pakialam. Tapos siya pa galit. Bahala daw kayong mamuti ang mga mata nyo dyan. Ang kakapal ng mga mukha eh. Ang sarap masilyahan ng mga botos ng tewa at ilong eh. Tinamaan ka na magaling. Aba.
To the guy. So, but you got. That's it. Just discipline, Tess. That's what it's all about. Discipline. And you see Greer trying to do that right now.
Yeah, Greer's responding the right way, at least as of right now. But yes, you got to deal with embarrassment. You're angry. It's a bunch of emotions right back down there again.
Chin up in the air. His eyes are wide open, but that chin is up in the air. He needs to tuck that chin down. So that's why he's
Bernardo,
gonna
what
take
were
one
they-
of them left hooks.
He wasn't hurt. Fortunately, he recovered well, but he's got to stay alert. He's got to.
I like the Greer move from Greer, but he needs to get on his jab, and he needs to, and then think about defense after.
Head movement. Give him some feint. That's it.
From Greer.
Again, you got to keep him busy. You can't allow him to try to line you up for a big shot. Hands go, Greer. 2s and 3s.
He has been finding success here. Knocked down. Greer Jr. dropped his right hand.
And Tessie dropped that right hand.
It's up there.
Plania and in Vegas.
Round 3. Ba't garing si kabayan eh? Kaninang-kanina pa ibinababa ang salawan niya. Aba, mali yata pagkakatahi ng mananahi dyan eh. Kaya naman yan. Hindi mo malaman kung nasisikpan bang puso ni kabayan o nangangati sa etiketa ng short. Parang mali ang sukat ng sastre sa pagkakatahi eh. Tinamaan ka na magaling. Aba, kowo, ang Amerikano naman oh. Bahagyang sumusugod-sugod na din naman kay kabayan eh. Pero mahahalatang paatras-atras pa din ito tuwing makakatikim ng hambalos kay kabayan. Mahiya mo ba naman barbell na gawa sa sinementohang dilata ng pintura ang suntok ni kabayan? Dumadagundong eh. Kaya naman na yan.
Of 2019. Times in his career to this. Good strong.
See that little jab by Plania? Little flick jab? He's trying to bring that right hand forward. So so Greer can get used to it. Then he's gonna try to that left hook again. He's setting it up.
There you go. Move the hand a little bit more. There you go.
I'm in as much, and I said this earlier, that he would be patient, and he's this patient in any of his fights. He's trying to line Greer up, like you said, Tim, for that perfect shot he did, for recovering and getting back. Plania is still trying to land up a good land.
One thing is out of position. He's not set moving forward. But I don't think.
I think right now Joshua Greer is just trying not to get dirty, and what I mean by that is he doesn't really want to get touched. He's already been, hear me say this all the time, that when you're facing a puncher, there's a time and a place to some work off, get your respect, tie up and reset. Greer hasn't done that yet. He's boxing well, but he needs to get inside in spots to get. Joe.
But we're going to go to this conversation because it's not dissimilar to the conversation we did on the first put forth against Deontay Wilder, saying it's tough to throw a no, tough to try to be so perfect.
Physically and mentally. And I was always taught, and it's counterintuitive, but if you do it right, don't always go away from power. Mother it, get your work on.
Live from Vegas.
Round 4. Takot na takot ang Amerikano kay Kabayan, mga kaibigan. Takbo na ba naman ang takbo sa bawat sulok ng ibabaw ng lona eh. Mahiya mo manok na nito yung na nakakita ng manok na super sayang talisain eh. Mahalata din na ingat na din ito sa kanyang mga galawan. Ayaw nang maulit ang pagkakakulata eh. Oo, si Kabayan naman oh. Ayaw nang tantanan si Danoblink eh. Inahamon na ding sumugod eh. Kaso parang tak talaga eh. Para ba namang nag-aalay lakad pa ba naman sa kusadang damukos eh. Yayabang-yabang ka, kulang ka naman pala sa bitaw. Tinama ka na magaling.
We get through with this critical main event in all the title hopes. Number 1 contender in WBO, top 10 in ESPN.com, and he was floored in the first round. Mike Plania.
I see what Greer's trying to do. He's trying to bring the tempo up a little bit. It's working, but he went down to the body before dipping down that low, trying to go down to the body.
And what did we Plania?
Plania has a mind of its own. It's almost like Plania just whips it in there. He doesn't throw it hard, but it lands.
And it has some speed.
He doesn't telegraph, he doesn't leap forward, he just stands in place and just whips it in there. At some point, I think Greer's going to have to slip inside, touch the body of Plania, get some uppercuts in there, ruffle. Hey, I'm physical too, I'm not going to stay on, but when I choose to be here, risk at some point in time.
Respect, Dre. Absolutely, I agree with you. But what I'm seeing from Greer right now, he's move away from that left hand. I will move the opposite way and reach for that left hook. That way, keep that right hand up.
But instead, they're now circling. And one took again from Plania. Wait.
Round 5, in and out pa rin ang ginagawa ng Amerikano, mga kaibigan. Ngunit mahahalatang lamang ang takbo niya kaysa sa suntok, mga kaibigan. Malamig weather's running technique ang ginagawa pa na nitong si Danoblink eh, oh, mga kaibigan. Samantala, nabubuisit si Kabayan sa Amerikano, mga kaibigan. Kulang na lang daw ng finish line eh, magmimistulang track and field at patintero na ang laban eh. Ay siya, takbo hanggat may lupa. Kinama ka na magaling.
There you go. Oh, that's it.
It's amazing the audio we have with this fanless atmosphere because you can hear George Hernandez, 6-year-old original trainer of Greer. Then he went away, went to California, came back to Chicago. And typically with the roar of the crowd and the arena atmospheres, we normally are televised. The encouragement coming.
But for fighters, this is what we're used to. You know, not in a fight set, but every day in the gym, this is what you hear. You hear two coaches. You got to compartmentalize your coach, tune out the other coach, get your work in. Like, this is what we say reckless things about me and say, oh, you can't take a shot. That used to
Wait, Timmy, the least shocking thing I could hear in tonight's broadcast that Dre would take it that way.
Yeah.
Give me anything.
Yeah. Surprised me at all.
He was trying to dig that left hand to the body, and he was trying to meet him with a left of his own.
There's another level to that all. He doesn't know it yet. Too ahead of your opponent. You gotta expect something coming back. and then you got to react to whatever he's. That's the next level. Greer's throwing one shot at a time. Okay, now what? Greer, now what? He just landed a combination. He just ran it. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen.
End of 5 here, live from Vegas.
Round 6, gitil na si Kabayan sa Amerikano mga kaibigan. Gustong gusto ng pakulatain ng demonyo eh. Sasali-sali ba naman ng boxing, puro takbo naman pala gagawin. Ano kasi bagsabaning inigawan ng chupa chups ng favorite carrots? Sinamaan ka na magaling. Samantala, dito na pupuruhin ni Kabayan ng lapay, baga, large intestine, atay, pancreas, at balon-balunan ng Amerikano mga kaibigan. Dahilan upang mas lalo nang lumobo ang lamang sa puntos ni Kabayan. Dito na rin sa round na ito, muling gugulatin ni Kabayan ang lahat ng mga manunood mga kaibigan. Tignan nyo maigay gagawin ni Kabayan. Walang hihinga sa ilong at bibig ha.
His output dropped to 45 punches per round. He has been in less than what we said we would be monitoring.
Well, part of the reason not afford to make any mistakes, so therefore he won't throw as many punches. And the shot we saw Greer get knocked down with in the first throws, therefore the percentage has come way down.
That was a good right hand to the body. I assume that corner is bullish right now. What are they saying?
Yeah, he actually told me, Osmani Fernandez said, I'm happy. He said, I told him, you're the boss, but you gotta let your hands go. You're in control, you're dominating, Greer's not punching, so take advantage.
Plenty had just missed a vicious right hander just a few seconds ago. Greer has to be careful and not raise straight up, so Plenty can land that right hand.
And expect something to come back.
Let's look at the body language of Plania. Feeling that he's the boss.
Plania just, he's in his, yes he is. He's in total control right down and over. Down and
Here we
over.
see Plenty doing what he's been doing, just moving slightly, but then that left hook has a mind of its own. He didn't wind up, he didn't telegraph, he just whipped it. Here we see right here, boom, right there, short shot, landed right on the chin of Greer, and then the legs of Greer betrayed him, and down he went again. That left hook is something
Round
vicious.
7, parang nawawala na yata sa katinuan ng Amerikanong ito mga kaibigan. Pinagsasabihan ng kanyang trainer kung saan-saan nakapaling. Parang hindi nakikinig Aba ay teka, parang na-lustered na yata ang dalawang tornilyo ng kokote ng Amerikanong ito mga kaibigan. Natutulala na ng inam Kainaman na yan. Go, si Kabayan naman ay teka, parang sinasapian na yata si Kabayan mga kaibigan. Nako, mag-ingat ka dyan, Danobling. Wawalwalin ka na lalo ni Kabayan dyan. Manda ka. Samantala, sumusugod-sugod na ang Amerikano sa laban mga kaibigan. Nakotsan yata ng coach niya Alam nang matatalo na sila sa puntusan kay Kabayan Ayan, taghabol ka tuloy ngayon. Tinama ka na magaling.
Round, it almost goes beyond normal arc and just whips right in like a burst strike. And 2 times now tonight, it has scored the knockdown for Mike Plania. And in the 6th round. So when we look at Andre Ward's card, you will see the 10-8 rounds, and you will see the command and control of 58-4 Plania. And how about what we saw times earlier tonight? Those in the know, things were bubbling up. The Vegas line was moving. The money was coming into today on the underdog. And Plania was getting support, and now he's in control here.
And to your point, Dre, Plania, when he left hook, it almost looked like he's stepping in with the jab. Right hand of Greer moves forward, expect what came. And of course causes knockdowns.
Putting the right hand to follow.
Driving right hand.
I think Greer been down twice. I believe he's a knockout to win this fight. Or even
Yeah, the 2 10-8 rounds are so difficult to overcome.
there it is.
It has been there all along.
straight to the body. Your hands up.
Look at that left hand to the body, doubling it up there. Mike Plante, isn't there a Filipino from the same hometown and coming on strong? Line by line, guys. And but you can look down at Plante's line by line and see opponents that had losing records or they were making their pro debut, and then steps into this spot and has been delivering all night long. 2 rounds to go. Try to take this to the finish.
Round 8, niraratrat na ng Amerikano si Kabayan, mga kaibigan. Ang hindi niya alam malasombing may timbang stainless sa ulo si Kabayan. Hindi man lang napapanguwi si Kabayan sa mga atake ni Danobling kaya naman na yan. Samantala, dito na magkakakisian ng malapitan ng 2 boksidor, mga kaibigan. At mahahalatang wala talagang kaya si Danobling kay Kabayan. Mahiya mo ba naman armolate ang kaluwa ni Kabayan? Napakabilis.
Tone it down. I don't really sense any of that here. Plania looks bigger, longer, more relaxed. That hook is the essence of swag.
Come on. Come on.
Watch it. Watch it.
There you go. Come on, bring him back.
This is where Greer needs to work right now. He has Plania right where he needs him. He needs to dig down to the body, stay shut nice and tight in there.
Greer on the inside now. There's an uppercut that tries to wrap around the right hand as Plante then lets his hands go. His 4th combination. Greer trying to turn over that left hand. Shoulder to shoulder they are now. Short right on the inside. What will be the answer for Greer, if any?
Right back.
There's the right uppercut from Joshua Greer. Trailing on the scorecards here
Good
in round
sequence
8.
right here from Josh Greer. Good adjustment from Josh Greer. It's not working on the outside, so let's take it inside and see if Plania can most success that I've seen him have throughout the course of the fight.
No doubt about it. And applying this strategy at just the right time because he needs something special here. Trailing on the scorecards. 3 rounds to go. Short right hand on the inside. And Plania, without that space, without that weaponry, doesn't quite look the same.
I've always said Greer does his best work when he's moving out punches around. That's exactly what he's doing. He's stepping up right now because
And the fighting spirit of Joshua Greer has not turned at all in this fight. Even with the 2 knockdowns, he is fighting and he's resisting Plania like he's supposed to if he's going to try to get to that title shot eventually, Gunner. Could have easily packed it in and went into survival mode, and I haven't seen that from Joshua Greer tonight.
It's around.
see the take loose right there.
Yeah, the right glove of Mike Plania. But we got the final 10 seconds here of round 8. A far better round for Josh Greer. Landed a right hand there as well.
Round 9. Aba ay parang may sebo pa atang likod nung lumagpas sa kaluwang labi ng Amerikanong ito, mga kaibigan. Aba ay teka, Danobling, kulay puti at mukhang malagkit na natuyo. Huwag mong sabihin, naiisip niyo ba ang naiisip ko, mga kaibigan? Parang sumigway pa ata ng top silog sa gilid to. Alam mo nang nasa laban kainaman na yan. Samantala, parang nauubusan na yata ng gasolina si Kabayan, mga kaibigan. Grabe ba namang magmantika ang katawang lupa nakakapagod kaya yun. Makikita din dito sa round na ito na tila na baliktad na ang sitwasyon at si Kabayan naman ang atras ng atras at ang Amerikano naman ang sugod ng sugod at nangungulit ng nangungulit.
From Mike Plania. 6 minutes to decide it. Josh Greer trying to keep his status number 1 in the WBO, top 10 on ESPN.com. Mike Plania trying to put him nation as a bantamweight contender.
From Greer, so he's looking to operate on the outside, trying to catch Greer on the way in with that left hook. Let's see if it works.
Last round and this round are the first 2 rounds where the body language has shifted. Now Joshua Greer looks like the boss and Plania is on the retreat.
And he looks like the boss when he steps to him and can get to stay here. And there's that left hook, just a threatening left hook when Greer tries to cross that threshold of getting to the inside. And there he is.
Now, made that adjustment. Now he's trying to go underneath that left hook of Plania.
intuitive
Yep.
on the surface, but if you really know, that's the right thing to do because you smother the power, and a guy like Planet, he wants to whip that left hook and have a little bit of...
Only happened at range with that round. We saw that in the 6th round. Round number 9 here.
Here's the right hook. Not only does Greer have to watch the left hook here, because he has a darn good one.
Yeah, he's got to watch it, Tim, but he's got to go to work like he's doing right now. I'm not saying even the score on the scorecard. Good right there.
Sure was. That right hand.
Drop some of those feints so he can clear some of those punches coming from play. Drop a feint, make him miss, and then make him pay.
See the urgency with Greer now. Trying with the right hand. Desperate for something. He will have 1 round.
Round 10. Ay parang ginagawang pinggang hugasin ng Amerikano. Mga kaibigan, nilalaban na ng Espansya. Steel brush o di kaya steel wool ang gamitin mo para mas mabilis. Kaya naman na yan. Teka, parang chichiryo din pala buhok ng mga kasama sa kampo nitong Amerikanong ito. Mga kaibigan, mga mahiya mo may potato fries na nakasabit ang mga ulo Tinamaan ka na magagaling. Nako, malaki maintenance ng mga ganyang buhok Buti pa tong si coach, tipid na tipid sa shampoo at conditioner. Yun nga lang, lumakas naman daw sa Safeguard, Mena, Rexona at Maxipil. Paano ba naman hanggang bunbunan ng deodorant at skincare na Tinamaan ka na magaling. Samantala, nagwawala na ang Amerikano mga kaibigano. At talaga namang kinukulit na ng kinukulit si Kabayan. Kung kanina mo pa ba naman ginawa yan? Adi sana maganda-ganda na puntos mo. Kaya naman na yan. Sa round din na ito, ay naging mas maingat na si Kabayan upang ma-preserve ang kanyang natitirang gasolina mga kaibigan.
The 10th and final round. Trying to chase him down with a right hand. Just missing
What I know
that.
about Joshua Greer is he's always in tip-top shape. Mentally, he never gives up or quits. We saw that in his last fight, even though it was a controversial decision. He came on late, and he's coming.
He needs a knockdown on Plania.
Him, which is feint and then shoot, because now Plania kind of, even though he's moving back, adjusted to the rhythm and the speed of Greer and the way he's coming. But if he feints and switches it up, maybe he can get something through.
Now Plania, we call that turning, and you hit him with the right. And then Plania did the smart thing right here by tying up Greer and not allowing him to work.
Fighter. 25 fights at a professional career after surviving street life, having to make some tough decisions, moving out to together the win streak. Working your way. What does he have in him here? Has impressed. He said he was primed. He said he was ready. His only loss, who was a champion, in Juan Carlos Payano. Seemingly getting better. 23 years old.
By majority decision, Magic Mike Plania!
Not quite sure what Dave Moretti was watching with the wide spread, 97-90.